My name is Jack Devine, and I'm one of the automotive instructors at Renton Technical College. The way the curriculum is delivered, it's divided into a 2-year program. In the first year, we teach all of the basic essential stuff that you need to know. We have a program called MLR, which is Maintenance Light Repair, and that qualifies our graduates from that program to get the entry-level positions in dealerships, in mom and pop owned repair facilities, and in a lot of the chain stores like Firestone, Goodyear, some of those that have, very large employment possibilities. The idea here is to put you into the workplace as quickly as we can get you there. Once we qualify you as a basic service technician, we're going to be pushing real hard to put you into an employment situation. You'll still be going to school part-time, but you'll be also working in a shop out on the outside part-time. And I think it gives you a very quick, down and dirty method of really finding out what the automotive world is all about.